Hello, welcome to SmatBot. In this video, we will see how to set up WhatsApp e-commerce.
In business.facebook.com, go to All Tools. Click on Commerce Manager to get started with. Select Create a Catalog and choose e-commerce as your catalog type. In Configure Settings, upload your product info by adding items manually or in bulk or through your Facebook pixel. Select the Facebook page for which you wanted a catalog as catalog owner on Create. Once done, your catalog is created. Click View Catalog. The page redirects to Commerce Manager dashboard. In Catalog, select Items and choose Add Items. You can add multiple or one item and choose your preferred option of adding items to the catalog. You can add any number of items by uploading images, enter details like title, description, website link, price, choose Facebook product category, condition of the product. You can see a list of items uploaded under Items section.
In the same Commerce Manager section, navigate to Data Sources. You can create a new data feed by uploading a spreadsheet or use a URL or Google Sheets. You can update data frequently by selecting the time in your Commerce Manager and typing in the spreadsheet URL. Once done, save feed and upload.
Now go to SmatBot.com and log in with your user credentials. Choose on the bot for which you wish to configure WhatsApp e-commerce. Create your bot flow and flow setup. Now add catalog to your flow. Add the catalog ID. Now, click Install and set up new WhatsApp account. Select Meta's WhatsApp provider. Choose your WhatsApp name, enter your number given in Meta API. Add product token number, namespace, phone number and WhatsApp number ID. Now connect WhatsApp catalog with your Facebook business ID. Allow all the data to successfully connect WhatsApp catalog to your bot.
You can choose any item and add it to the cart. To view the selected items, click on the cart icon. If you wish to send a message, then type the message and click on the Send button. Once everything is done, the WhatsApp message will look like this.